Hi guys, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to change your name on Facebook page. So if you want to change your name on Facebook page, this is what you have to do. Tap on the profile icon here, your Facebook profile icon. Then now you can switch to the profile you wish to change, the page you wish to change to by scrolling down, searching for page. Then tap on the page you wish to change. Let me take the second one. Tap on switch. So I don't need this notification. So now the next thing you have to do is to tap on the three dot at the right corner of your page interface. Scroll down, tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll, look for page setup. Tap on page setup. Tap on name. Tap on view. Close to the option name. Tap on view. Now you can enter your new name. If I write Sam, okay, I've written the new name that I wish to my page to answer. So take note of this. If you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days, and Facebook will give you reply after 3 days. So please take note of this. If you have changed your name within 60 days, you cannot change it again. So if you haven't, you know that after changing it now, the next 60 days before you'll be able to change it again. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to give me a thumbs up. It will help this video very well, and tap on the subscription button to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.